Labafundi ke benyuvesi yaKangwane eKwaluseni namhla ke bavale ke emagede ke esikole bamisana konke ekusebenza kwaso ke lesikole ke inoma ke inyuvesi kanti labafundi bakhala ngetikhalo kuletiningi tofa ikhathi ukuthi bathi ke labanye sola bawatholi wona ke ema allowance nekuthi angeke bona bakhona nokufunda online ngaleso sizathu ke isikole noma singabaqosha bona ke batawuchubeka bafune dona ke imphendvulo kubaqosha angeke kuze kulethe dona ke imphendvulo.
Sinenkinga ukuthi bafundi abakhona ukuthola ema-allowances abo basiningile but bashoda labanye. If we don't fight for the students laba nema-injustices la, who is going to fight for them? Uthi Che Guevara, every injustice you see kulo munye umfundi noma kulo munye umuntu emhlabeni, it's an injustice to yourself, so you have to fight ukuthi sonke sibe equal. We are talking about inequality. Bafundi bethu ema-allowances la ngekhathi sifunda ema-learning conditions akasiwo mnanzi. Uma ngakutshela ukuthi uma ngihlala edeskini ngenipahla etibalile, but uma ngifika edeskini ngihlala ngidawo ngcola lama-desk ayaphuma. Iphi i-quality education? Where is that a conducive learning environment? Akekho.
Nyalo nibafundi nibheke ukuthi nithatha sinyathelo siphi kuze kube kunini.
Sithi thina enyuvesi ayi-address ema-grievances ethu. Ingafuni ukuthi sicoshe because kusicosha akwasona. Sikuzamile before basicosha sibuye fighting for the same thing. Right now I address ama-issues ethu. Sine issues futhi issue ekhona ilenye issue yema-refunds. Bafundi bebahlala ekhathi 2019 makuqala 2020 academic year. Bekala i-COVID-19. Sathala 3 weeks but 5.2 mnyaka wonke. But kude ma-refunds. Sikhuluma namhla solo basithembisa in one of the meetings some months back bathi tawungena ku Friday. There is nothing lesifundzako online. Unguthi ngifunze njani online ube wena uthi angibhala umsebenzi unete online but ngusubmit face to face. Imagine ngihlala kalavumisi uthi lo msebenzi ngusubmit face to face. How am I going to submit that assignment? So it's high time ukuthi bafundi basukume because it's about the mass population. Ufuma ngabe thina sesifuna bafundi baphatheke kahle. Wonke umuntu lokhona la ngaphandle affected. Kunemfana lofundzako. If it's not me today, tomorrow utaba kungumfana wakho.
Kanti labafundi ke bathi batawuchubeka ke babhekishe kude ke bathole dona ke imphendvulo. Kubonakele nembutho ekuvikela sewukhona lapha ke enyuvesi. Ngasikhani ibonakele abantwana bachubeka nokubhikisha noma ke bavale wona ke emagede ke enyuvesi. Etintsabeni te channel eMaswati ngingeri Carlos ngisekwaluseni kumathapha.